Yes, Canary rockfish, live. Good. Getting shipped up to Seattle or Portland? That's actually cool that they do the live fishing thing now. They didn't used to do that.
Well, they have, but it hasn't been so widespread.
Another one.
The Oriental market is huge for that.
In Seattle. I talked to
Anywhere. They ship them all over the place.
Are you worried about the radiation in Fukushima? Have you following that drama at all, sir? Are you following that drama from Fukushima?
No.
No.
FUKUSHIMA.
Yeah, it's fucking us. Yeah. Whoa.
We haven't had any problem.
Whoa, look at that baby. That's bigger than my cat.
We have
Is a male? Male?